everyone. It's Raquel, the primary librarian. I want to welcome you all who are new, and thank you everyone who's coming back and who's a subscriber. Today we are going to be going through what it is that I'm bringing with me on vacation. In less than 24 hours, I'm out of here and I'm so excited. But what I thought I would do in this video is kind of go over what it is that I'm taking with me and the reason why I'm packing it with me. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be bringing is my camera. I do know that I will have some downtime, probably a lot of downtime, because that's what I'm planning on, is just relaxing. And I'm going to bring my camera with me. I have taken some classes and things like that, and I really want to put this camera to good use, and I am going to be taking some great pictures with that. And the second thing that I'm bringing with me is this book. This is a book from our library, and it's called Christmas at Rosie Hopkins' Sweet Shop, and it's just a feel-good kind of book with everything that's been going on. I really love this because it takes me away from everything, and it's just about a lady and the making of her Christmas sweet shop, and it's set in a quaint little town, and I'm all about that. And I'm excited to read the whole thing, so I'm bringing that to read on the plane with me. And I also have my little pencil case here. Hold on, let me move this over just a smidgen. I have my pencil case, and bringing as many goodies as I can get away with in here. So I have I have all my stickers, my sticky notes and things like that. And then I'm bringing this just in case I need to put some things to the side. Did I show that? Did I need these little pockets in case I need to put some things to the side. I do have some ollie clips and things like that. I'm gonna take this out because I don't know if this is gonna fly, and I might take these out because I don't know if these two are gonna fly. So these are the Erin Condren, the new Erin Condren scissors, and then I usually use tweezers when I am using my stickers. So I don't know if those two are gonna fly. I might even take this out because I don't know if that's gonna fly. But anyway, I have stickers and my pens, my whiteout, all these other little goodies here. Some tape, and here's the Erin Condren tape. But yeah, I don't know, I'll rethink those. And so this is my little pencil case that's going. So I'm gonna put that there because that's some, and then I'm gonna go through these. So these are the petite planners. This is the monthly planner. So we're coming up on August and September, and I really want to get into that and get some things planned on the calendar for those 2 months coming up, with baby shower, with somebody leaving for the military, all that sort of good stuff. And this is even though this is January through March, there's a lot of notes in here that I want to take out of here and then kind of update this one. This is July through September, so this one is current. So I really have these, but this one has a bunch of notes and stuff like that in it. That I want to transfer over to these, so I'll be able to do that. So that's these. Put those right there. And then I have, before I even get to the planners, I haven't even got to touch this. This is just paperwork of things that I want copied over and to be put in the planners. So I'll be bringing that to transfer those over into the planners. Then I have my sticker stash, and this is all my sticker stash. I'm not bringing a lot. I don't think it's a lot. I actually only have 1, 2, 3 kits, and these are some leftovers that I had from a kit that I've taken off from a long time ago, but I thought it was so pretty that I'm going to use these. I didn't know there was a little water damage there, so I might have to cut that off. But I have 3 kits, just plain kits, and I'm going to take those with me so I can do some planning. And then I have some stickers, some post-it notes in case I need them. And then these are just like extras that I haven't used yet that I might want to use when I'm planning. And the same with these. And then I have my sticker book that has, you know, a couple of those little stickers in. I know I'm probably going to need some of those. So that's it for the stickers right there. And then of course I have my trusty ruler with me. And then I'm going to take my content planner, because I'll be doing a lot of work in there. This is my everyday planner. And I was thinking about bringing my home planner, but then I was like, I'm just going to plan it out in here and then transfer anything that I need to transfer. I'll transfer that once I get home. And the last thing that I'll be taking with me, let me move those over, is my this is also my content notebook, but this I kind of made, whereas my content planner has everything in it, but it only has snippets of it. And the way that I'm using this is, these are my goals for my channel, the Primary Librarian. And then as the months go on, I'm going to be putting in, let's say January, well, like here, August. I know I'm going to start with August, because August, which is this tab right here. Yeah. August, one of the big things that I usually have in the planner, but I don't have any specifics or any ideas with it in a planner. It's National Planner Month on the first day of August, and I'm not ready for it. So I figured I would take the time to put in August 1st, National Planner Month, see what others have done, see what kind of content I want to put in for my channel. And so I'm going to do those for all of the channels, September, what's going on in September. And somebody had asked me maybe a few minutes ago about what, if I was going to be going to Go Wild. And I'm like, Go Wild? Oh my gosh, I've heard of Go Wild, but I've never been. And so that's something to put on my radar. It actually is on my radar, and I would absolutely love to go. But this is all of the stuff that I'm bringing with me on my getaway and my time away. And I'm so excited. We are leaving, and like I said, in less than 24 hours. So I'm a little excited. So thank you guys so much for being with me as I put this together. This is all I'm bringing as far as planner stuff is concerned. Oh wait, no, I have all this here. I was like, oh yeah, that's all I'm bringing. Well, actually, no, that's all I'm bringing. And I will see you guys. I will be posting through the week, and I will have things up, and I will take pictures and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will talk to you in the coming days. See you later now. Bye.